Well, guys, guess what? It's raining in Kentucky once again. Man, we can't catch a break. Come on. Knife heads. What's going on? Well, I guess we're going to do a porch talk with Big E. I am your host, and I am Big E. It is raining once again, and it is Friday. So when it's Friday, it makes me want to think old George Jones song, and it's called "It's Finally Friday." If you guys ain't never heard of that, you just need to go check that song out. It's a classic. It's a straight banger. But since it's raining, I can't do my usual thing. I just thought I'd hop on here real quick and talk to y'all for a little bit. And show you a cool little pocket knife. Look at that red, buddy. This is in a GR knives, an outdoor slip. It's like black, and it's got red stitching. And he even put the paracord on there. He's a great guy. If you guys ain't went and checked him out, you just need to go check him out. He has helped me out a bunch in the past, and I would like to return the favor. Y'all go check him out and let him know Big E said hi. But let's see what's riding in this bad boy today. You want to? Look. Just give it a good squeeze. I know I got a thing for trappers. I collect a lot of trappers, I know that. But look at that one. This is a special one to me. I've got two of them. One's a trapper and one's a rustlock. I almost had the muskrat, and someone beat me out of it. But this is the limited edition 30, and it's red bone. I think that's Roger's jig, and it's got a pearl bar in it. That's mother of pearl. That says 30, Unlimited XX edition. It's got pinch bolsters. It don't have no swedging. It's got brass pins, brass liners with no gaps. The die didn't take too good right here. That's the only spot. This is a 2004. 2004 Unlimited Edition spade blade. And there is the spade blade. 6254 SS. Guys, tell me what you think about this knife. You think it's a good looking knife? You think it's ugly? Would you collect it? And would you get more of this kind? Me, myself, I was trying to get the whole family, but it's near impossible. I got 2 of them out of 7. If you guys got any leads on these, holla at your boy. I know there's a peanut on the Evil base, but that's the last one I'm worried about right now. I'd like to get the other bigger ones before I worry about the peanut. But that's just me. Let me know, like I said, would you get them? Would you use them? Or would you collect them? That is the question. Now, there's a lot of things on the going around about using your knives, not using your knives. What would you do? Would you use this baby? Or would you collect it? Do you like the etching on the blade? Or would you do away with it? I just want to hear you guys' comments. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. And this has been Porch Talk with Big E. I was your host for this episode. And y'all, stay classy. You hear?